Welcome everyone, today I'm showing you how to print your own mugs. For example, like this. So these are the two pictures that I want. A dog and a cat. We want the dog here and the cat right here. So we're doing this side and this side. So make sure you have your pictures ready. I'm gonna use Adobe Illustrator, but you can also use free tools. For example, Canva or anything out there. But I like Adobe Illustrator. Here it is, mug template. This template is nothing fancy. So let's open the template. So as you can see, we have three rectangles here. This is the maximum size that can fit on a mug. As you can see, this one is 20 centimeters width and 9 centimeters the height. And that's the maximum I want to put on a mug. The actual mug is 9.6 centimeters, but I always want to leave some breathing room. So let's put that there and open the dog. So I don't really like the ratios here. I think they're too high. So it's only gonna be a thin strip. This worked extremely well. This is the before and this is the after. This one looks perfect. I'm going to choose my sublimation preset. The only thing that changed is the paper type and quality, and the fact that it's mirrored. Let's get to the printer. We'll put the sublimation paper inside. This is the paper. I've tried normal paper too. It works, but the results are not so good. So use sublimation paper. As you can see here, I use premium semi-gloss. It prints way slower, but the results are better. Now just hit print. And you may think the colors are weird, but that's always like that. When you print it onto the mug, the colors will get more brighter and more alive. After printing, we're gonna get to cutting with this one. So now we got both the dog and the cat, and let's go to the mug. I always preheat the heating press before doing that, because it takes quite some time. So let's turn the heat press on, and it's already set at 204 degrees Celsius. And this is the mug press. It's connected there. I like these mugs from Plotty X. Tasse zum Sublimieren, and that's a mug for sublimation. They cost around €2.20, something like that. So very cheap and very good. Let's take it out. They are already clean, but you can also clean them for a second time. You're also gonna need heat tape. And I like to put it in the four corners. Now this is the top. I'm trying to go straight as possible. That's why I leave the 3 centimeters on the bottom, so I can just press it all the way down. And you don't have to worry about being straight. So when you think that it's good, just use your fingers to secure the tape. As you can see, it's straight on the bottom because it lays all the way down on the table. And now we have to do the other side. Do a double check if everything's in order. Well, I think that it's good. Now we want to take a sheet of Teflon. I like to put this Teflon sheet or whatever it is. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Now we're gonna put it in the heat press at high pressure. And some people like to preheat the mugs. I don't. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Take the mug and put it in the heat press. As you can see, it's pretty high pressure. It's very hard to close it. Now the temperature is going to drop. And when it gets back to 204, I start a timer for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And then turn the mug around and do another 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Because, as you can see, we put more pressure on this side now. And this side doesn't have that much pressure. Closing in on 204. We're gonna start prepping the timer. Yep, 204. Timer started. And then just restart. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Everything you need is gonna be in the description.